If you are looking for an ADA compliant grab bar for your home or in your bathroom, I want to give you two different options here that I have from Healthcraft. Now, I absolutely love the design of these. These have a modern design to them. Both of the ones I'm going to show you today are in matte black. The quality of these are absolutely amazing. You can tell when you pick them up that these are definitely a quality product. Now, let me go ahead and show you some of the features that I am so impressed with about these. The first product that I have here, this is the shampoo shelf and also the grab bar. This one measures at 19.5 inches, and even when you put shampoo on here, this grab bar can hold up to 500 pounds. You can see that it has a great surface area to be able to hold shampoos, but also has that functionality of being a grab bar. Here is the second option that I have to show you, and this one is the corner shelf option. You can see that this can fit right into the corner, and again, you have great storage here at the top. It measures at 9.5 inches, and this also can hold up to 500 pounds. On each side of the grab bar, there is a 9-hole flange. That is going to ensure that you are able to hit your studs. It does come with 6 screws in order to mount this as well. Now, if you are not able to get these installed into studs, there is an optional hollow wall mount option that you can get from Healthcraft. If you're trying to determine the most optimal mounting location, it is recommended that you hold the railing up in a place and walk through the motions of how you're going to use this, whether that be for sitting or standing or reaching. The recommended height is probably going to be somewhere between 36 to 48 inches, and it is best to do a walkthrough test before mounting it. So again, if you are looking for a high quality ADA compliant grab bar for your home, this is definitely going to be a great option for you. You can just feel the quality right out of the box. These are an award-winning design. They're rust-proof. There's a lifetime warranty on these. There is definitely so many great qualities that I absolutely love about these. I think if you give these a try, you're going to be just as impressed.